So today we will be doing chromatography at home, just using some general leaves in our yards. So first, what you will do is you will get 3 different kinds of leaves. So I used a dogwood, ivy, and then rhododendron. So after you acquire your leaves, you will need 3 cups, just like these, and then you'll need isopropyl alcohol, which will help get the pigment out of the leaves. And then you'll also need filter paper, kind of like this. I just use coffee filters and cut them up like that. So after acquiring your leaves and your cups, you are going to cut your leaves up into small, tiny pieces. And this will help to release the compounds out of these leaves. So the smaller they are, the better it makes it. After doing that, I already kind of pre-did that to speed things up a little bit. You will pour your isopropyl alcohol into each of the cups, covering the leaves. As you are doing this, you will notice that the pigment of the leaves start to come out just a little bit. And then after doing this, you are going to stir the leaves up, or you can use a mortar and a pestle or something like that, just to try to get them all crushed up and mixed in with the isopropyl alcohol as best as possible. So I will go ahead and do all of this. After doing so, I am going to put this in a hot bath to speed up the process. So to do that, you will just put these cups inside of another container, a big glass bowl or something like that, fill it with hot water around it, surrounding it, leave it for about 30 minutes, and then you will come back and we'll put our filter paper in, and then leave it for about another hour, and then we'll see what our chromatography has given us. So the alcohol is allowing the pigments to be released from the leaves, and therefore we can see the compounds that come on our filter paper. Thank you. This is our hot bath right here, and we're going to leave it here for about 30 minutes, and then we'll be back. Hello, so we now have taken our leaves and the isopropyl alcohol out of the hot water bath, and so it is time for the compounds to kind of come out of the leaves, and so now you can see that it is a greenish liquid in there. And then so now I'm going to leave my leaves in, or you can filter them out, and then we're going to place our filter paper in the isopropyl alcohol mixture, and then we are going to wait for an hour, and then I'll be back. Now I have removed my filter paper from each of the 3 alcohol compound mixtures, and we can look at a couple of things. So first of all, the leaves have different compounds in them containing chlorophyll, carotenoids, and anthocyanins. So the chlorophyll represents the green color, the carotenoids represent the yellowish orange color, and then the anthocyanins represent the reddish color that you can see. So when removing the filter paper, a couple of things happen when the filter paper was in there. First of all, the alcohol represented the mobile phase, and then this filter paper represented the stationary phase. So what happened was different molecules have different polarities, and they interact differently with the filter paper, so that's why it goes up so far, or up so far the filter paper. So we can take a look at this one and see, this is from the dogwood, and see the difference between the yellow and the green levels. So the green is representing the chlorophyll, while the yellow is representing the carotenoids. And for the ivy, it's a little even more distinct. The color is a little bit darker, if we can see that. And then for the final one, it looks like this. So thank you for watching my video on chromatography.